Imagine a city where dogs run everything. Over 2 million of them live there, and each one has a job. Some help commuters on the subway, others ride the escalators, and a few even patrol the trains. But they're not strays. They're official residents. You'll spot dog houses on the streets, but most prefer lounging in cozy shops on their favorite pillows. Don't move those pillows, they've been claimed. When they're hungry, they just pick a window and someone brings food. A simple head pat is all it takes to pay. Play music in the park, and they'll become your loyal audience. Some might even join the performance. Would you share your city with dogs like these? Like and subscribe if you'd visit the City of Dogs.